Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Skill for Life channel. I'm Emma, and as always, I'm so happy you're here with us today. If your goal is to speak English more confidently and naturally, you're in exactly the right place. Today's episode is special because we're going to talk about one of the most common and sometimes stressful questions in English. Tell me about yourself. And I'm here with Liam again. Hi, Liam.
Hi, Emma. Hi, everyone. I'm really excited about this topic, but I have to admit, this question makes me nervous every time.
That's very honest and very normal. Many people feel confident speaking English until someone says those four words. Why do you think this question feels so difficult?
Because it's so open. It's like standing in front of a huge blank wall. I don't know where to begin. Should I talk about my childhood, my job, my hobbies, my personality?
Exactly. The problem isn't English, the problem is structure. When you don't have a structure, your brain gets overwhelmed. So today, we're going to give you a clear, simple system that works in almost any situation. And the system is present, past, future. Part 1. Why this question matters. Before we break it down, let's understand something important. When someone asks, "Tell me about yourself," they are not asking for your life story. They are asking, "Who are you right now?"
So it's more about identity than biography.
Exactly. It's about identity, direction, and personality. This question appears in job interviews, university interviews, networking events, first dates, meeting new colleagues, even casual conversations. If you master this question, you immediately sound more confident and organized. Part 2. Step 1. The present. Let's start with the first step, the present. This is who you are now. Your name, your current role, your main focus in life. Liam, imagine you're at a professional event. I ask you, "Tell me about yourself." What would you say?
Okay, let me try. Hi, I'm Liam. I currently work in IT, mainly focusing on software development. I'm especially interested in building tools that improve productivity.
That's excellent. Short, clear, professional. Notice something important. You didn't say everything. You selected information that fits the situation. That's key. Part 3. Step 2. The past. Now we move to the second part, the past, but not your entire history, only the parts that explain how you became who you are today.
So it's like building a bridge?
Exactly. The past explains your journey. For example, I studied computer science at university, and during that time, I discovered my passion for solving complex problems. See? It connects naturally. Liam, can you add your past?
Sure. Before working in IT, I studied engineering at university. During my studies, I worked on several team projects, and that's when I realized I enjoy problem solving and collaboration.
Very good. That sounds natural and structured. Notice how this builds credibility. It shows growth. Part 4. Step 3. The future. Now the final step, the future. This part shows ambition and direction. It answers the question, where are you going?
So this is where I talk about goals?
Yes, goals, vision, excitement. For example, in the future, I hope to lead larger projects and continue improving my leadership skills. Now you try.
In the future, I'd like to specialize more in artificial intelligence and eventually lead innovative tech projects that create real impact.
That sounds confident and ambitious. Now, when we combine everything, we create a small personal story. Not random information, a story. Let me give a full example. I'm Emma, currently working as an English teacher and content creator. I've always been passionate about communication and education. In the past, I lived in different countries, which helped me understand how challenging language learning can be. Now, my goal is to make English more accessible and enjoyable for learners around the world. That's about 40 seconds. Clear, structured, memorable. Part 5. Adding depth. The why. Liam, can we talk about something deeper? Of course.
Sometimes when I answer, it feels mechanical, like I'm just listing facts.
That's a very good observation. Facts inform, reasons connect. So if you add why, you become more human. Instead of saying, I am a teacher, say, I'm a teacher because I love helping people grow. See the difference?
Yes, it feels warmer, more real.
Exactly. People remember emotion more than information. Part 6. Body language and tone. Let's talk about something nonverbal. You can say perfect English, but if your body language is weak, people won't feel your confidence. Stand straight, make eye contact, smile naturally. Your energy matters.
Sometimes I feel nervous and my voice becomes quiet.
That's normal. When that happens, slow down, take a breath, smile slightly. Confidence is often physical before it becomes mental. Part 7. Common mistakes. Let's quickly discuss mistakes learners make. Talking too long, giving too many details, using complicated grammar to sound impressive, forgetting to adapt to the situation. Remember, clarity over complexity.
I think I've done number 3 many times.
We all have. Simple grammar spoken confidently is always stronger than complex grammar spoken nervously. Part 8. Casual situation example. Now, imagine you're at a gym.
Hi, I'm Liam. I've been coming here for a few months. I work in tech, but outside of work, I really enjoy staying active. I used to play football when I was younger, and this year my goal is to run my first half marathon.
Perfect for a casual setting. Notice, it's relevant, it's friendly, it invites more conversation. Part 9. What if you forget what to say in the middle?
What if I forget what to say in the middle?
It happens to everyone. You can say, let me think for a second. Or, that's a good question. These are natural speaking tools. Fluent speakers pause too. They just pause confidently. Final recap. Let's review quickly. When someone says, tell me about yourself, remember, present, who you are now, past, what shaped you, future, where you're going. Add your why. Keep it 30 to 60 seconds. Use confident body language. Practice out loud.
I feel much more prepared now.
And that's the goal. Preparation reduces fear. Confidence comes from structure. Closing. Now it's your turn. Pause this episode and record your own introduction using present, past, future, or write it in the comments below. We would love to read about you.
Yes, tell us, who are you now? What shaped you? What is your goal?
Thank you so much for spending these 20 minutes with us at English Skill for Life. Keep practicing, keep growing, and remember, your English doesn't have to be perfect to be powerful. See you in the next episode.